August 25th, 1981, Voyager 2 sent back some of its most important images, the craters and rifts of Enceladus that suggested viability for life. I was able to pull these slow scan TV signals of Saturn's moon Enceladus from a 45-year-old cassette tape.
Well, this is very similar in appearance to Jupiter's large satellite Ganymede, which though is about 10 times larger. So we'll go ahead and send this picture of the moon Enceladus, W6VIO, going video. Okay, this is W6VIO JPL. Anyone copy those?
The previous images were broadcast by W6VIO, Voyager in Outer Space, on August 26, 1981, a day after they received them from Voyager 2. As you can see, these were not enhanced at all and not of great quality. These images were picked up by TV and print organizations for immediate reprint and rebroadcast. You can clearly see the craters and cracks on the surface I'm sure had scientists excited. Thanks for watching Real Space Junk, and tune in and subscribe for more space oddities and random gadgets.